temperate oceanic climate. This temperate oceanic climate is being modified, or its name, as you know, it is St. Lawrence type of a climate, also best developed in St. Lawrence River Basin. Okay, I mean the area which is the river between geographical boundary between Canada and the USA. Okay, this river and lake regions that contain Superior Lake, Ontario, Michigan, Erie. Okay, these are the lakes which contain there. It originates from there. Okay, its source is the Superior Lake. This river St. Lawrence begins from there, and it merges in the Gulf of St. Lawrence. Okay, there you could see when Gulf stream current clashes with another current of Labrador current, this cold current. Okay, this cold current, when it hits with the hot current which originated in Gulf of Mexico, that current, Gulf of Mexico, when collides each other, there the sea become angry. Okay, and that angry sea, there sea creature plankton being found. Okay, and that this region makes the noisy of a sea as the clash of a hot and cold current. There swordfish are been found in, it is known as Grand Bank, and Grand Bank is the biggest fishing ground of the world. Okay, which lies in this climate. Now, so this climate contain the place like Canada, Western Europe, Northern Japan, Korean and South New Zealand, Manchuria, China, Chile, Tasmania. These are the places, okay, where these climates been found. And so this climate, winter is cool. Okay, winter it's cool, really cool, and the rainfalls is throughout the year, which is been influenced by westerlies and temperate cyclone. Okay, cyclonic rainfall is another category of a rainfall. The rainfall which is been brought by cyclone is known as cyclonic rain. And a range of its temperature, you could see its summer temperature is 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Its winter temperature to 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. That time when I was teaching you a factor that affect the climate, I told as the polar wind blows from the pole to this place, the temperature of Chicago will turn into minus 10 degrees Celsius, and it make the freeze of a whole water system inside the Canada and the USA. Okay, that Lake Superior freeze, Lake Michigan freeze, whole river St. Lawrence River, which that river is known as the busiest inland water, sea navigation routes in the world. Sea navigation routes in the world become freezes. Okay, no any ships sailing there. So because that being affected by polar wind, you could see 0 degree, far below the 0 degree temperature, and rainfall, it records that 50 centimeters somewhere 100 centimeters of rainfall. Natural vegetation, this vegetation is a deciduous vegetation, and so in that St. Lawrence Plateau, okay, of Canada and USA, there we could find maple, oaks, elm, beech, ash, chestnuts are the deciduous vegetation found here, and Manchurian Plateau of China, which is being occupied by Korean pine, lark, spruce, fir. If we see the wildlife, okay, its wildlife contain beaver, skunk, tiger, bear, wildcat, puma, these squirrel. These are the beings which is found in its wildlife. And if we talk about way of a living, okay, way of a living of the people, diligent, progressive, healthy people lives here. Okay, and that inland system of by making Sumari Canal, they could join that St. Lawrence River up to inland place of Chicago. From there, okay, that place water being utilized, and their iron mine is found there. Biggest iron industries of the world lies in that region, because first of all it got transportation, second it got the mine, iron mine there. coal mine there. Okay, these are the prosperity of this place, and so they are, okay, railway engine making in the world, plane engine making in the world. See how they've been a biggest ship making industry in the world been found in this climatic region. So world largest manufacturing industry you could see there. I told you about plane making, railway making, these all are manufacturing, iron and steel industry. So most of the industries been found here. In Manchurian region, agriculture also done there, like barley, oats, wheat, soybean, potato, groundnuts been found there. So northern USA, if we talk about farming, dairy farming is extensively done. Okay, America is known as the second biggest country in the productions of milk in the world. So beside there, lumbering is also done in St. Lawrence Plateau. Lumbering means cutting wood, and softwood been found here of a pine wood, which is known as the utilizing for making paper. So Canada is known as the biggest producer of making paper and pulp industry in the world, which economic activities is highly depend here. Japan, it could, and Chile. There, Japan is the first leading fishing industry in the world. Okay, and followed by the Chile. So these are the economic activities, people way of living who lives in temperate oceanic climate. I mean St. Lawrence type of a climate. Thank you.